Okay, let's move on to radical function. Remember your review that it needs to be on your diary. We have 4 options for radical function. Upwards, rightwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, and rightwards. So what you need to remember is if your sign outside is positive, it's going to be one of these 2 options. Or if your sign outside is going to be negative, it's going to be outside. One of these 2 options. Then we have inside, positive, inside, negative. What that means? F of x, positive, positive, positive outside, positive inside. F of x, positive outside, negative inside. Then we have positive inside and negative inside. So we have f of x, negative outside minus positive inside, x. And then we have f of x, negative outside equals negative, negative inside minus x. And remember your domain and range rules. That is going to be domain range from h comma k, so it's bracket h k comma positive infinite, and here is going to be from negative infinite. Let's move on to this one. Negative negative is domain and range minus infinite, comma, comma, h k. And this is a combination. We move to the positive side, so it's domain equals radical of h comma positive infinite. So this one is like this one. Domain is going to be from negative infinite comma h. Now range is going to be for this one from negative infinite to k, and for this one it's like this one, k comma positive infinite. That's the summary. So the first one that I'm going to answer is f of x equals to radical of x minus 4 plus 2. What do we need to find? There's a few things to find. Vertex, x-intercept, y-intercept, domain, range, and of course your graph. So let's see. I told to my students that they need to find a, b, h, and k values with its signs. A is the number outside our function, so it's plus 2. B is the number next to x, so it's going to be plus 1. H is number next to it, Rx, so it's going to be minus 4, and remember H, we need to change its sign, so for this one is 4, and the K, 2. So with this information, I can fill almost all of this information. So I have my vertex or initial point, that is going to be 4, 2. And with my A and B, I need to check what is going to be the shape of my graph. So I have positive outside, so it's going to be one of these two, and positive inside, so it's this one. This is going to be the shape of my function. So my domain and range are going to be like this one, h comma k. H is 4 and k is 2, comma, plus infinite, parenthesis, parenthesis. So, as I told you on class, let me draw here. First of all, let's find our point of the initial point or vertex. Is going to be 4, 2. So it's here. You know that the shape of your graph is going to be like this one. So if you draw it here, you don't know the specific numbers, it's going to open upwards and rightwards. So guess what? You won't have any x-intercept, neither y-intercept. Why? Because of the direction of your function. So here you need to write none and none. Or there is not any x-intercept, y-intercept, as you wish. So how do we graph it at the end? We only have our vertex. So we need to search or find values bigger than 4 in order to find out where they are. So I'm going to do it here. And it's going to be, my function is x minus 4 plus 2. So I need numbers bigger than that, 4. So I'm going to use 5. It's going to be f of 5 equals 2, 5 minus 4 plus 2. 5 minus 4 is radical of 1 plus 2. Radical of 1 is 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2. So when x equals 5, my y equals 4. So here it's going to be 4. It's here. Now the next one, you may find f of 6. It's going to be 2 radical of 6 minus 4 plus 2. And it's 2 radical of 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 2. And 2 radical of 2 plus 2 is 4.82. So my next value is going to be 4.82. That is going to be here. Why? Because this is 5. So at the end, I found 2 values of my graph. I can draw the shape and also write f of x equals 2 radical of x minus 4 plus 2. We finished the graph. We find everything, so we finish.